Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Today is Tom's first day at a new school. He moved to a new city last week. Tom wakes up early. He puts on his clean school uniform. He packs his backpack. Tom thinks, I hope I make friends today. His dad drives him to school. The car ride is short. Good luck, his dad says. You'll do great. Tom feels a little nervous, but also excited. Tom walks into the school. He sees many students. The school is big and colorful. A teacher named Mrs. Brown meets him at the door. Welcome, Tom. Let me show you your classroom, she says with a smile. Tom follows Mrs. Brown. He walks into the classroom. He sees rows of desks. Some kids look at him. Tom smiles and says, Hi, I'm Tom. A boy named Alex smiles back and says, You can sit next to me. The teacher starts the class. They talk about math and reading. Tom listens carefully. He writes notes in his notebook. He feels good because he understands. At break time, Alex and two other kids invite Tom to play outside. They run, laugh, and kick a ball. Tom feels happy and is fun. After lunch, the teacher says, Now we will draw pictures of animals. Tom draws a big lion. Nice drawing, the teacher says. Tom feels proud. At the end of the day, Tom meets his dad. He says, I made 3 friends today. His dad smiles and says, I knew you would. Tom isn't nervous anymore. He looks forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow will be fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.